Repair the damaged portion of a door jamb by removing only the compromised side, fitting a custom-cut replacement strip, and securing it so the frame stays square and functional. Start by assessing the damage and marking the length of the compromised jamb that must be replaced, keeping the undamaged head and opposite side intact. Remove the doorstop and any trim on the damaged side, then cut out only the ruined section back to solid, stable wood using a chisel and a circular saw set to the jamb thickness. Measure and mill a replacement strip from matched hardwood or paint-grade lumber that equals the original profile and thickness, and test fit it dry so the door clears by about 1/8 of an inch on the latch edge. Pre-drill and use long structural screws through the jamb into the stud at an angle where possible to pull the new piece tight, and use construction adhesive on the mating faces to create a strong bonded joint. If the strike plate area is compromised, mortise the new piece for the plate and reinforce behind it with a steel plate or a short length of hardwood glued and screwed to distribute locking forces. Reattach the stop and trim using finish nails, caulk gaps as needed, and finish sand and paint or stain so the repair blends with the existing frame. Common mistakes include cutting the replacement too short or too thin, which creates gaps and a misaligned door. Avoid this by dry fitting and shaving down the piece gradually instead of removing too much at once. Another issue is relying only on glue or finish nails, which can fail under repeated use. Always use structural screws into the stud, and consider adding a hidden backing block for extra strength. A third problem is failing to re-establish the correct jamb plumb and reveal which causes rubbing or poor latching. Correct this by shim packing behind the new section before final screwing, check with a straight edge, and operate the door through several cycles before finishing. We run bighomeprojects.com, where we help homeowners find local contractors for projects like partial jamb repairs and selective replacements, and we also help contractors find work by listing their services. We host an active discussion community on the site where members share techniques, ask questions, and post photos so everyone can make smarter repair choices.